control plus S. So or file save. Okay. So after that, the save dialog box will be appear. Then here you have to enter the name of your new document, and also you have to choose where the file will be stored. Okay. So I am choosing the desktop option, and my file name is bridgecourse2. Okay. Yes. So here, so on the top of your document, so here the file name is this bridgecourse2 is appearing, right? So do you visible, girls?
Yes,
Course
yes, ma'am.
Yes, this bar is called as what?
Hello.
This bar is called as title bar. Okay. Because
கேக்குதா?
who is speaking, ma?
எனக்கு கேக்குது, உனக்கு கேக்குதா?
Girls, who is speaking? Okay. So this bar is called as a title bar. Okay. So the title bar shows the title of your document or name of your document. Okay. So the Word document. So what is the extension of your Word document? So the document will be stored in, for example, this file is stored in the format which goes to .doc, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Dot, what is the extension? Dot D
DOC.
C. So DOC is in the sense for document. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next. So save as. What is the use of save as option? If you want to create a copy of one file, right?
Right.
Yes. So you go for a save as option. Okay. So save as
Okay,
option.
ma'am.
Then this is the dialog box of your save as option. Then you can give a new name. For example, bridgecourse3. So now the bridgecourse2 file and also the bridgecourse3 file having the same content, right?
Okay.
Yes. Do you understand, girls? So bridgecourse2 la
Yes,
enna
ma'am.
irukko adha appadiye bridgecourse3 la irukum. Okay, because I am saving the bridgecourse file 2 as bridgecourse file 3, right? Yes. So
Okay, ma'am.
now I am going to edit this text. So what are the editing options available in Word?
Bridgecourse computing skills.
Yes, this I am selecting this text only, bridgecourse computing skills. Okay. Now I am going to cut this word. If you want this text is not, you need this text. Okay. Then you just cut this text. And also you have to paste it in another location. So I'm going to paste it in the last line. So what is the paste option? What is the shortcut key for paste option?
Control V.
Control plus V, or else you can just click this paste button, right? Yes. Do you visible this? Paste. Control plus V. Okay. So I am cutting this word in this first line and I am pasting this word in the last line, which goes computing skills, right? Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
next option, copy. Copy means you just copy the word and also paste it in another location. Okay. Yes. Control C, and I'm just paste it in last location. Control plus V, right? So the MS Office text is presented in the first line as well as your last line, because I just copy this word and paste this word in the last line, right? So these two locations the word is present. Yes. Do you understand? These are all the simple concepts you know already, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So next, so these are all called as text, otherwise called as font, right? So Word fonts. So if you want to change the font size or font style, so you can go for this. Okay. So these are all the several font styles or inbuilt in your MS Word. Okay. So these are all the inbuilt. Inbuilt means already stored in your software. Okay. So if you want to change this, you can just select the font. Okay. So I am selecting this Ought. Okay, this one, Britannic bold, right? And you have to increase or decrease your font size. So this is the size of your font, and the size is starting from the number 8, okay,
8.
and ending from the number 72.
72.
Okay, so I am choosing this. The word is changing, the size, increasing and decreasing. Is do you visible?
72.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. 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 Next. So bold, italic, underline. So what is the concept of bold, italic, underline? So if you highlight something, okay, if you want to highlight something, then you go for bold. Okay. So bold. I'm pressing this bold. The selected text only bolded, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And italics. The text is italics. That's slanting. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, underline. The word is selected word is underlined, right? Do you visible?
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Next, strike through. So strike through means the text is just strike by using one line. This is the strike through. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next, what are all the alignments you know? What are the alignments you know? Alignment. Alignment.
Right
What are the
alignment,
alignments?
left
Right alignment.
center.
Very good. Left alignment.
Center.
Center alignment. One more than. Totally 4 alignments. Okay. So right alignment, left alignment, center alignment, and
Justify.
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 Justify. So first, what is the default alignment? What is the default alignment? Default alignment is left. Okay. So this is the
Okay.
default alignment. So I am just going to apply the center alignment, right? So this is the center alignment. Next, this is the right alignment, and this is the left. Sorry, justify. So justify alignment, you should apply it in paragraph. Okay, because the size is
Okay.
both left and right, or equalized, or adjusted. Okay, so justify alignment used in paragraph style. Okay, next. So bullets and numbering. Okay, so next one, if you want to add some points in your document, so first you have to select. Okay, and I'm going to apply. What is this? Bullets.
Bullets.
So the bullets are
Okay.
changing. Yes. Do you visible? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if you want to define
Yes.
a new
Yes.
bullet, so these bullets you don't want. Okay. So if you want to define a new bullet, then go for a new bullet. Okay. Here you have to choose some symbols, right? So I'm choosing one symbol. Yes, I'm choosing. These are all the mathematical symbols. Okay. So the star and
Okay.
okay. So the star is applied, right?
Right,
So
ma'am.
these are all the bullet. Then numbers. So the next one is numbers. So this is our numbers, and this is a Roman letter, and this is capital, and this is small. Okay. So several number formats are applicable. Okay. These are all the inbuilt in your MS Word. Okay. So if you want to define new number format, then you can choose here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 or first, second, third. So then okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. So this is
Okay,
the way
ma'am.
to insert the numbers, right? Okay. Next, menu, insert menu. Okay, insert means you have to insert something in your Word document, right? So first, insert table. So the table contains what? Table contains rows and columns. The row is how many
Column.
rows? How many rows in this table?
4.
No,
Column.
4 columns. How many rows in this table?
3 rows.
3 rows.
3 rows.
Three rows.
First
Three
row,
rows.
and this is the second row, and this is the third row. Okay.
Third.
And
Third
this is
row.
the first column, and this is the second
Second
column,
column.
third
Second
column,
column.
Third
Column.
column, and this
Fourth
is the
column.
fourth.
Fourth
Fourth column.
Okay. And you just enter, for example, roll number. Name, mark 1 and mark 2. Okay. So roll number 1, 2. Tell any name. Tell me any name. Your name. Why are you thinking, girl?
Abhiram.
Abhirami. Okay. Next. Mark. Okay. Next name.
Priya, ma'am.
Priya.
Monica.
Priya, Monica.
Why?
You.
Girls, don't make noise. Please be mute. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, if you want to change the table style, okay, if you want to apply some styles for your table, and here several styles are applicable. Okay. So here yes, these are all the templates which is already available in your Word document. Okay. So you
Okay, ma'am.
can just select and apply it in your corresponding table. So I am using this template, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the way to how to insert your table, right? So you know undo and redo operations. Undo and redo operations. So if I do some mistake, okay, but I don't repeat it. Okay. So if you do some operation by mistake, so I just undo the operation. Okay. By using Control Z. What is the shortcut key for undo? Control Z. Redo, Control Y. Okay. So for example, I am pressing just Control Z. Okay. So what happened? What happened? The previous operation is rollback, right?
Oh.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I applied the table style, no? Where is the table style? It was rollback because I am pressing Control Z or pressing undo. Okay, undo.
And
Now I am pressing redo. That's Control Y. Yes. What happened? Now the table style is appear. Okay. So this is the difference between undo and redo. Okay. So if you do some mistakes, okay, unfortunately, then you can go for undo and redo. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next. So insert some pictures. Okay. So these are all the sample pictures which are stored in my system. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So just I am going to insert. Yes, insert this penguin picture. Yes. So if you want to apply some frames, so photo frames for this picture, you can choose this. Okay. Yes, the photo frame is changing. Do you see that? The photo frame is changing, girls.